With the holidays behind us and the leftover tinsel still hanging on for dear life, you might be thinking, what's next? Well, buckle up, because it's time for your January home maintenance checklist. You know that New Year, New Me energy? Let's channel that into your home. Forget the New Year's resolutions that involve fancy gym memberships or starting a 12-step skincare routine. This January, we're tackling the stuff that actually matters. Insurance. Yes, you heard me. Insurance. And we're talking about insuring your home for the long haul. You know, safety first, people. First, let's talk plumbing. Check those pipes like you check your insurance policy. Tighten any loose faucets and look for leaks, because a drip today might just be a flood tomorrow. And if you're wondering, should I really do this? Just remember, it's all about insurance, baby. Preventive maintenance saves you money, and that's the best policy. Now, if you're a fan of climbing ladders, and I'm sure you are, check your roof. Look for missing shingles, debris, or a holiday decoration still stuck up there because, let's face it, you might have forgotten about it in the post-Christmas chaos. Don't wait for insurance to kick in after a storm. Get ahead of it and secure your roof like it's the last year of your insurance policy. While you're at it, check your air filters and vents. Dirty filters. Not only do they make your air quality worse, but they also make your HVAC work overtime. Trust me, that's an insurance claim you don't want to make. Breathe easy. Make sure your home is an oasis of comfort, not a dust trap. Speaking of comfort, let's talk about that fireplace. Clean it out, because nothing says, I'm not insured for disaster, like a clogged chimney. You don't want to end up as a headline about a house fire caused by neglecting maintenance. It's like insuring your safety, but without the paperwork. And last, but absolutely not least, check those smoke detectors. If you didn't check them on New Year's Eve, we know you didn't, do it now. They're literally your first line of insurance against disaster. You might think you're safe, but do you know you're safe? Get those batteries in and make sure you're covered, literally. So here's the deal. If you've tackled plumbing, roofing, vents, fireplaces, and smoke detectors, you're practically living in a fortress of insurance security. It's all about preventive maintenance, so your home stays as safe and cozy as that vacation you promised yourself. Take it from me, when your home is insured with proper maintenance, you can finally relax. Happy New Year! And remember, insurance might not fix everything, but a well-maintained home will make it a lot easier to get through the year. So, get out there, check those boxes, and ensure your home is truly ready for whatever the new year throws at it. Stay safe, stay comfy, and remember, when it comes to home maintenance, the best kind of insurance is proactive. Want to know more? Give Klinger Insurance Group a call at 301-428-4935 for all your insurance shopping needs. Because just like energy efficiency, the right insurance can make a huge difference.